Can you believe your eyes? This was once a $5 million Rolls-Royce, the king of luxury, but now it's poured into deep sea mud, rusted and forbidden. It looks like a total loss, right? Well, not for transformations. Today we are going to attend the most expensive restriction in the history. Watch us bring this Sunken royalty back to the light.
With torque sensors to exact.
King is back. Look at this shine from armored to pure gold. This is the unlimited transformations. If you think this Rolls-Royce looks legendary now, hit that like buttons and subscribe to the transformations for more instant luxury restrictions.